So to get a domain name from Hostinger, you can click on the link in my description box and it will direct you here. Hostinger offers a free domain name and website and so many other packages in these plans they have for just €3 per month. And within this package, you can get 100 websites, 100 gigabytes, 100 mailboxes for your business, so professional email box, an AI website builder, and so many more. But if you just want a domain name and you don't need any of those other things, you can just simply log in using your email address. As you can see, I already bought a domain name, and how I did it was just simply go to domains and click on get a new domain and search for your desired domain here. So if I want to search for, let's say my business name is Lumaviv, I'm going to click on Lumaviv and search, and these are the options that are currently available. .com is obviously more expensive than other ones because it's the most popularly used and it's universal. But if you have an e-commerce store, you can click .shop and you'll pay only less than €1 for a whole year, and I think this is an incredible deal. You also have .site and so many other ones that cost less than €1, which is one good thing about Hostinger. And if you can't find a domain name and you have no idea which name to use, you can generate a domain name using AI. Just put a short description of your project and the organization and what your business is all about and click on generate. Generate a domain name for a real estate business. Click on generate, and look, it has generated different available names for you. So I prefer .com, so I'm going to say in .com. Generate. And look, it says noblegroupshome.com, blue sky propertysales.com. And if you don't like it, you can keep tweaking it until you discover the one you want. So let's say you want to buy this one, you can click on buy domain name. You get a discount if you pay for 2 years, but if you want to pay for a year, it will cost you €10 for a whole year. And insert your payment method. Obviously, I've done that already, but if you haven't, you can just click here and choose a different payment method and complete your payment. So you'll be directed to this website. Make sure you click on the link sent to your email by PayPal, and your domain will be verified. And that's how you secure your domain name. You have to do it now before someone else does, because only one person can have one domain name.